us? You wanna go in the car? Come on, let's go take a ride. You wanna go for a ride? Appa, stop.
Look at him. They ready to play already. Look at Apollo. Apollo. Where's Appa?
Oh yeah. He was about to get in. Like jump in after Apollo, but he didn't.
Guess we gotta go get him.
Apollo, you come in front of me? Behind the seat.
Got the dogs with us.
Yeah, he sit on the floor.
We'll catch y'all at the beach now. Y'all, we made it to the beach. As y'all can see, Appa back here acting a fool. Apollo back there.
They got spit on the ceiling.
Alright, bro, come on, let's get out. Appa's having a good day. She talking about some new dogs on the beach. I don't give a. Apollo trying to pee on everything.
He's not. He peed at one spot. He don't even pee on stuff.
Lies.
He don't even lift his leg up and pee. He doesn't do that. He doesn't do that.
After we get far enough, we could let Apollo free, bro. Y'all was just by the roads and stuff. I can't trust Appa like that.
Not yet.
Alright, hold the camera.
Hey, chat.
Hey, chat.
We're at the beach. Look at Polly. Hey, Polly. Getting this. Oh, my poor dog. Ah, my poor beautiful baby. Appa! 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 Appa!
Get her, Appa. Get her.
He's biting me! He's biting me! He's a wild animal! He's a wild animal! Ah!
They are really fast.
Look at this dude.
Bro, this hole is so deep.
This man digging for gold.
Appa's good at being at the beach though. He's really good at this.
Oh yeah, he loves being at the beach.
Like, I don't know why he decided to dig on me, but
I think he's trying to make a spot to lake.
in the shade probably behind us.
Right? Oh, wait, Appa, stop. Appa, stop it.
He's friendly.
Oh, he's friendly too. He's still a puppy.
He is too. Oh, did you meet a friend, honey? Look at that. Good boy.
What kind of dog is it?
He's a miniature Australian Shepherd.
A minister. Oh, that's so cool. He looks so cute. Is it a girl or boy?
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
He's never going to get any bigger than that, so it's kind of nice.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Are we all?
Tic Tac.
Chat, look at this dog. He is such a lazy butt. He does not want to walk around or anything. He's just chilling at the beach. This is what he likes to do. He be chilling at home. He chill at the beach. He's just a chill guy. That's the goal for me. Look who joined me at the beach. I mean at the water. Where did he go? He joined me at the water. Come on, Appa, get in. Get in. Appa, get in. Oh, you can take that off of him, actually.
Hey.
Appa!
Hey, stop it. Hey, stop it.
Oh my God. Sit. Stop. Wait. Just throwing out every command in the book. Oh, he's a dancer. Oh. Good boy, Apollo.
Really, nigga?
Appa doing it on purpose.
He's doing that on purpose.
He's doing it on purpose.
Appa, you serious right now? You serious? You serious?
Same people?
Oh, look how cute. Oh, y'all so cute. Wait.
Sit down.
Sit.
Thank God.
Come here, Polly. Stay, Appa. Wait, Appa.
It's a long lane, bro.
Yeah, bro. 6 letters.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. He's trying to jump. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, Appa. We're so deep. Look how far back he is. He's still walking. He's on his feet. If y'all don't know, so like I'm low-key scared of the water. It's like this kind of scary to me. Look at all this water. So, cause one time I was in Panama City, and like they had the little flags up, Appa, but we didn't know what the flags meant. So they started waving the flag. It's in the water. I don't know what it was called, a rift tide. So I go to step in, the rift tide almost pulled me in. Like I'm on the sand, the rift tide almost pulled me in. But after that day, I never wanted to go to the beach again. Never wanted to get in the water again. Appa! I'll race you back. Appa is not racing. He's not racing. He got my whole body wet. Yep, we made it back. He hates getting in the car.
This is the hard part, guys.
Why are we leaving the beach?
Chat, this is the hard part.
You just want to go grab my socks today?
Yeah, I can forget to do
And pull a car up?
that. Yeah.
He's finna run away from me, bro. This is what he does. Cause like when he knows we're finna go to the car. Look. It's time to go, Appa. Do not run. Oh my God. He's running away. He's not gonna stop. He's just gonna keep running away. Appa. I got you, bud.